Friends, today's story in Vikram Betal Tales is The Sage Who Wept and Laughed. Once upon a time, a very pious Brahmin lived in the city of Udaipur. He and his wife made a honest living. They had enough to live by comfortably, but they often wished they had a child. So they spent their days praying to Almighty. One day, his wife gave birth to a baby boy. Their happiness knew no bounds. They held a feast for the people and thanked the Almighty for his blessings. The old Brahmin and his wife worked to provide their son with the best education. They also taught him the lessons of love and kindness. Therefore, the boy grew up to be a fine young man. Everyone in the city talked about the boy's knowledge and wisdom. When he was of age, the Brahmin and his wife began to look for a bride to get him married. But one day their son fell sick. The Brahmin and his wife consulted the best doctors and prayed to the Almighty. But it was all in vain. After lying on his bed for a month, the boy died. His dead body was carried to his funeral. The Brahmin and his wife grieved. Hearing their loud cries, a sage who was meditating under a tree nearby approached him. He saw the dead young man lying on the ground while his parents were crying over him. The sage had an idea. I can easily leave my old body and enter this young man's body, he thought. The sage went back to where he sat, wept for some time, then laughed for some time, and finally closed his eyes in concentration. Just then, the young man opened his eyes. The Brahmin and his wife were surprised. They held their son to their chest and wept in happiness. Betal asked the king, "Can you tell me why the sage had first wept and then laughed?" King Vikramaditya said, "The sage first wept because he was leaving his old body. He then laughed because he was going to enter a strong young body, leaving his weak old body behind." Betal told the king that he was right again and flew back to the tree. Hope you enjoyed the story.